1, crescendo!
Wheels rolling on match number 81. It's like 3, 4, 5, all 6 robots leaving their starting positions and joining us here for some autonomous action. 16-10 our current score in autonomous as we enter the last couple seconds. And as drivers pick up their controls, 19-21, just a couple points difference in favor of the Blue Alliance. Both alliances having scored 4 notes in their speaker and amp, and both activating cooperation. We only need 18 notes for each of our alliances to complete that melody ranking point bonus and earn themselves additional ranking points. Once again, those ranking points extremely valuable as we approach the end of our qualification matches. Here at the red source, we have, I believe it's 9036 Ramen Robotics from Bellevue. They make their way underneath the stage, have a brief collision at center field, and line up with the Red Alliance amp. That's 1 note in the amp for 1 point. Quickly followed up by their alliance partner, 6831 AO5 Annex. That note also good, so if my math is right, they should have 2 in the bank. Looking to see when their human player decides to employ the strategy and use that amplification to make any note scored in that speaker worth 5 points. Robot lines up, and that note is good. They amplify that speaker for 5 points now to your Red Alliance. We'll see if any more notes make their way up. Another note from 7034 to be determined, and that closes out the amplification. I believe that was 10 points there in that transaction, and that adds to their total. Red Alliance still has a little bit of catching up to do, 46-61. But there's still plenty of time left to add to either of those totals. 50 seconds left in the match. Blue Alliance has already completed that melody ranking point bonus threshold, 21 out of the 18 notes required, and they now amplify their speaker to try to score some more up in the speaker. 360, the Revolution with a note good for 5. They make their way back. 6343, Steel Ridge in with a note in the amp. 4682, Cybears also quickly following up another note in the speaker as well. 20 seconds left as we enter endgame. And we'll look to see if high notes fly towards the microphones. At the moment, it looks like 1 high note up stage right on the mic, and all 3 Red Alliance robots lining up underneath the stage. 1, 2 robots up stage right for the Red Alliance. 7034 looking to join. They can't quite tell if they're up in the air, but looks like potentially 3 robots up and a note in the tree. The final tally as Blue Alliance takes home all 4 ranking points, 2 for the win, 1 for the melody, 1 for the ensemble, and your Red Alliance takes away 2 ranking points, 1 for the melody and 1 for the ensemble. Excellent work across the board for all of our teams.